a little bit about your future plans of running for Senate in the Philippines. How many more fights do you expect to have? Do you expect to fight through 2016?
Um, First, I'm not thinking about running right now. I'm not thinking about that running a high because the election is it's way far away, and also um, I'm happy to be a congressman right now in the province in helping people, and of course, and also I have not I have I have no plan yet to retire or to in my boxing career. I still can fight, and I want to continue fighting and keep on fighting.